First, crush the minced garlic, then move to a bowl. Same goes with onion. Dice it, then to the bowl. Olive oil to the garlic and onion, followed by 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 tablespoon chipotle pepper, half tablespoon brown sugar, and squeeze of lime juice. Mix well and set it aside. Sliced chicken. I prefer dark meat, so I decided to use thigh. Make your own choices. I removed the skin so it won't be oil all over the place. Mix with the spice mixture and set them aside while we prepare other ingredients. Chop tomatoes and avocados into fine bits. Slice cabbage finely. And also the scallions. We heat up the tortilla in an empty pan. After the tortillas, add oil to the pan and start cooking chicken. Place a spoonful of chicken on each tortillas. Top with fresh tomatoes, avocado, cabbage, scallions, and finish with squeeze of lime juice.